I've had this inflatable hot tub for about a month now and I can confidently say that I absolutely love it. I was a bit hesitant at first because I had previously owned a 3-person hard-sided hot tub and wasn't sure if an inflatable one could live up to the same standards. However, I have been pleasantly surprised at how well this Coleman SaluSpa Bahamas performs. One of the things that I really appreciate about this hot tub is its size. While it is advertised as a 4-person spa, I wouldn't recommend trying to fit 4 adults in it at the same time. However, there is plenty of room for 2 adults to comfortably relax and enjoy the hot tub experience. It's perfect for a cozy night in with your partner or a friend. One minor issue I have noticed with this hot tub is that it loses heat quite quickly. Within 1 minute of entering and turning on the massaging bubbles, I can feel the water temperature dropping by 2 degrees. After about 5 minutes, it decreases by about 4 to 5 degrees. This is because the air that is being used to create the bubbles is cooler than the pool water. I've noticed that if I put my hands over the air bubble holes at the bottom, I can feel the cooler air coming in. I would love to hear any suggestions on how to mitigate this heat loss problem. Despite this minor inconvenience, I still find the hot tub to be enjoyable and relaxing. The price I paid for the Coleman SaluSpa Bahamas was very reasonable, especially considering the quality and features it offers. I purchased it at Walmart for $348, and it has definitely been worth every penny. I actually got this hot tub as a gift for my husband on Father's Day, and he absolutely loves it. He gets in it every night and finds it to be a great way to unwind and relax after a long day. It has become a regular part of our nighttime routine, and I can see why he enjoys it so much. I would highly recommend the Coleman SaluSpa Bahamas to anyone who is looking for a great hot tub experience. It provides the perfect escape for meditation and relaxation. I am already considering repurchasing another one in the future because I believe it's that good. In terms of installation and maintenance, it has been relatively easy. I have placed the hot tub in my basement, and on cooler days, I simply use a space heater to warm up the ambient temperature of the room. Additionally, we have placed foam pads underneath the hot tub to provide extra insulation and energy efficiency. Taking care of this hot tub has been a breeze. Overall, I am extremely happy with my purchase of the Coleman SaluSpa Bahamas. It has exceeded my expectations for an inflatable hot tub and provides a luxurious and relaxing experience. I would definitely recommend it to others who are considering purchasing a portable hot tub. Click on the link below to see price.